Day 8 on the Indian Chieftain Black Label commission. The teardrop fuel tank is finally taking its final form. Today we finalized the front-end seals and executed the vertical side wall layouts. Managing the grain on this metallic cherry red is everything. The front fender is officially a wrap, tucked, surgically trimmed, and heat-sealed for an OEM plus finish. And the best part? Reinstalling the iconic Indian Chief head. That contrast against the cherry red is absolute fire. First piece off the bike, first piece back on. Seeing that metallic PPF against the black forks proves exactly why we chose this color. The depth is insane. Quick look at the large format side covers. These were high tension areas, but with our specific tack and stretch protocol, they are now fully encapsulated and sealed for the life of the bike. Closing out day 8 on the rear fender. We've locked down both sidewalls and we're dropping the final top cap piece. This multi-stage bulk install ensures no lifting and a seamless visual flow. Very close to reassembly. The king of baggers is almost home.